Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Naman Sharma. In this video, I'm going to share with you all one of my project, which is Food Plaza. Food Plaza is a front-end project which is using the Edamam APIs uh, to search for the best recipes and your favorite recipes. This is a landing page of our Food Plaza. Here we are mentioning our specialties. Here, how we provide the vegan options and the gluten-free meals, and how the recipes which we are providing are easy to follow and go for all skill levels. Here we can search for we can search for dishes from around a database of 20 million recipes. We have both all the options, Indian, international, and other dishes. We can search for any type of dish. Maybe it's just a famous pizza or your favorite chole bhature. They are also present in our database. We can get the variety. We can have multiple options of what recipe we want. So let's see some Indian foods like chole bhature and yeah, some spelling I think. Uh, yeah, back then it was a spelling mistake, so there was no option present there. So we can have chole bhature recipe here. We are providing all the ingredients which the user needs. We can have so many options about what variety we can use and what changes and what experiments can be done. We are showing how much calorie a person is eating, so the user or the user gets to know how much of calorie he is consuming from this food. So this was the introduction and the demo of our project. Let's see the code base of our project. Let's see. So this is the code base of our project. We have named this project Food Plaza. The main working of this project is from this app.jsx. Here in the app.jsx, the landing page is named home, and the search functions are continued in the recipe search component which we have created. Let's see the home component. So this is here. This home component we have we had to make sure about we had to work for the search. We have to handle the queries which we are using, and the UI portion of the landing page is handled here only. You can see this is the whole code base for our home page. We are providing the quick categories here. So next, let's see the next component which we are providing. Next is the recipe search. Here in this recipe search option, we are handling the searching capabilities of our project. So as the project was made using React and Vite, so these are our environment variables which we have stored. For searching, we are using the advanced debouncing techniques. We are handling the scroll as there are many options which we are providing. And let's see how we are fetching our recipes. So we are fetching our recipes from this API which is provided by Edamam. When we created this project initially, it was the version 1 of Edamam APIs, and now it has been updated, and we use the version 2 as present. So to increase the speed of our project and to provide a smooth experience to the user, we have used debouncing for the searching. And when user has already searched for a recipe and has come back again, to improve the speed of our application, we have used caching mechanism. So which works as here. If the user has already visited the previous query, the same query is being used. So we check that if we have the query stored in our cache, if that is present, then we returns the cached result already. Okay? And if this is a new response, then we have provided we have added rate limiting, as Edamam APIs provides the rate limit of 10 responses per minute on the free tier. So we have added the rate limits here. And if the query which has been sent by the user is new and has not been provided earlier, so we cache the result, we store the result in the cache, so that if the user searches for the same query again, the result can be delivered as fast as possible. This improves the user experience and provides a faster site working. Here we are handling the new search queries, and the rest in the remaining portion we have handled our UI components, like the header, the result header, the spinner of after which appears after searching a recipe. Yeah, if there is any problem because of which we cannot provide the recipe, then we have a well designed error box that we encountered a problem, which says that we encountered a problem and can't actually provide the recipes, and we give the option of trying again to the user. Then these are the footer and the extra styles which we have added for the animations and other things. We have one more component, that is the recipe card component. We have seen in the Food Plaza that whenever we search for a food, we can see that all the recipes, all the food items are coming in a similar boxes. So these cards are manually coded. We have not used any existing cards or CSS library, UI libraries. We have created this one for our own use according to our needs. So here we store the image and the title, and we are showing the calories, how much calorie the user is consuming through the food. This has been handled here, and this is the title overlay, and this component is majorly for the CSS and the styling of the recipe card, and there's no major functionality being handled here. The major functionalities are handled in the recipe search option and the home. So this was our project which we have discussed. We can see all the functionalities of this project here. We can see the ingredients, the calories, and how we have and what API we have fetched and how we are working. We have implemented advanced rate limiting system and debouncing and caching mechanisms to improve the site experience. Yes. If you like this project, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Like the video and please comment and provide reviews. I'll be adding the GitHub repository and the link of our project in the description of this video. Thank you.